Attaching a flex shaft to a Dremel tool is a straightforward process, but it's important to do it correctly to ensure safety and optimal performance. A flex shaft is a handy accessory that allows for greater control and precision, especially when working on detailed projects like engraving, polishing, or intricate sanding. Before you begin, make sure your Dremel tool is unplugged or the battery is removed to prevent any accidental starts. First, gather your materials. You'll need your Dremel rotary tool, the flex shaft attachment, the collet wrench that came with your Dremel, and the collet nut that fits the flex shaft. If you have the instruction manual for your specific Dremel and flex shaft model, it's a good idea to keep it nearby for reference. Begin by removing any accessory or bit that may currently be installed in your Dremel. Press and hold the shaft lock button, then use the collet wrench to loosen and remove the collet nut. Take out the collet if necessary. The goal is to have a clean, open spindle at the front of your Dremel tool. Next, prepare the flex shaft for attachment. At the end of the flex shaft, you'll see a square-shaped drive cable. This is the part that will fit into the spindle of your Dremel. Before inserting it, apply a drop or two of the lubricant that comes with your flex shaft kit if it's recommended by the manufacturer. This helps the shaft spin smoothly and extends its lifespan. Now, insert the square drive end of the flex shaft into the Dremel's spindle. You may need to gently twist or wiggle it to ensure it seats fully. Once it's in place, thread the flex shaft's collar onto the nose of your Dremel. Tighten it by hand until it's snug, but avoid over-tightening. The connection should feel secure but not forced. Once the flex shaft is attached, check that it spins freely. Gently try to rotate the handpiece at the end of the shaft. It should turn smoothly without much resistance. If it feels stiff or doesn't turn, double-check that the square drive cable is fully inserted and that the collar is tightened properly. Next, install your desired accessory into the handpiece of the flex shaft. This is done much like you would with the main Dremel tool. Press the shaft lock button on the handpiece, insert your bit, and tighten the collet nut with the wrench. Make sure the accessory is secure before proceeding. With everything assembled, it's time to test your setup. Plug the Dremel tool back in or reattach the battery. Turn it on at a low speed first and observe the flex shaft. The handpiece should spin smoothly, and there should be no excessive vibration or strange noises. If you notice anything unusual, turn off the tool immediately and recheck your connections. When using the flex shaft, hold the handpiece like a pen for maximum control. The main Dremel tool should be placed in a secure, stable position. Many users hang it from a hook or place it on the workbench to prevent it from moving during operation. Always remember to wear appropriate safety gear, such as safety glasses and a dust mask, especially when working with materials that create fine particles or debris. Attaching a flex shaft to your Dremel tool opens up a world of precision and flexibility for your projects. With a little care and attention to the setup process, you'll be ready to tackle detailed tasks with confidence and ease.